Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a channel on YouTube and upload videos. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is come on over to youtube.com and click onto the sign in button. It could be on the left hand side or right hand side. So sign in using your Google account. So on this page here, it's going to say sign in with your account. So go ahead and click on sign in with your account. So you need to sign in with your Google account. So go ahead and put in your email or phone, click on next and put in your password. Then from there, that's going to sign you in to YouTube. Now, once we've signed in, we want to go ahead and click onto our name like so. Now you might have an option to go ahead and create channel. So go ahead and click on create channel. You might have switch account and then click on to view all channels if you do have the option. And then basically if you don't have any channels or you shouldn't have any channels, want to go ahead and click on create a channel. Now from here, give yourself a name. We can select the profile picture and put a handle in. So you go ahead and do that. Then after that, you're going to be signed into that channel. So go ahead and click on your channel name. This is that channel. And then we need to click into YouTube Studio. Now inside of YouTube Studio, we can go ahead and customize our channel by clicking customize. So we can customize the profile, the home tab, etc. But what we want to do is go ahead and click on create and then click on create and upload a video. And then drag and drop your video file or click select files. Then from there, you want to go ahead and give the video a video title, description, thumbnails, and all that stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and click on select files. Now I've got a whole bunch of videos I've been working on. So say I want to go ahead and upload that. I want to click onto that. Now that's going to upload to YouTube. Then we need to go ahead and put in the title, put in description. If you're not sure what to put as your description, just go to ChatGPT, Claude, or anything like that and get them to give you a hand to give you a good description. Choose a thumbnail. So go ahead and upload a thumbnail. Then keep scrolling down. Click on no, it's not made for kids if it isn't made for kids, and then click next. So I'm going to say no, not made for kids. Next, we can go ahead and click on an end screen if you like. So click on import from video or import new. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this basic one here, click save, then click onto next again. Now it's going to check for any copyrights. Click next again, and then the visibility section. So do you want to make this video private, unlisted, or public? I'm going to choose public so people can see it. You can also schedule the video for a later date, and then click on to, I'm going to do public, and then I'm going to go ahead and click publish. And once you click publish, that video is going to be live